Hello, do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 7? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, number bonds for number 7 and subtraction. What that means is what two numbers subtracted together, so taken away from one another, equal the number 7. So, you could have this one. This is a great one. You could have 10 take away 3. That's a great subtraction number bond because together that equals 7. Okay, now what about this one? Okay, what about 8 take away 1? Does that equal 7? Yes, it does. So that could be another subtraction bond for it. Okay, so all you've got to do is just use this information here and remember that all you're looking for are two numbers which subtracted together equal the number 7. Okay, so just like these examples. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!